Hello guys, welcome to this video tutorial. uh, Today's tutorial is a special one because I don't normally do this type of video tutorial, but I just say I should share it with you guys. As you can see from what I posted earlier today about the mining app, so for those of you that will be having trouble interacting with the interface, so I decided to make a video tutorial for you guys, right? You guys. Now, uh, if you follow the link that I posted, the moment you're done registering through that link, you'll be asked to either go to App Store or Google Play Store to download the mining application. Yes, the mining application. Now, once you're done downloading the application and you open it, now you'll be greeted with an interface like this. Yes, you'll be greeted with an interface like this, and the next thing you're going to do is you're going to hit this place that says mine. Yes, you're going to hit this place that says mine. Good. Now, once you click that button, you'll be taken to ask you to verify your identity, to verify your detail before you can start mining. And please, like I mentioned earlier in the post, I said that make sure you use your real details. Yes. The reason being that you be verified, and if your details is different from what from what is on your ID or your driver license or whatever mean of identification you're using, you be disqualified, right? You'll be disqualified. And also make sure you use your real details so that you will not have trouble when it comes to you withdrawing. Okay, whenever you want to withdraw, so you don't have trouble. All right, so just make sure you use your real name, the name that appears on either your driver license, your any means of identification that you'll be using. All right, now the moment you click, like I said, click the mine, it will take you to the page for you to verify. You may input your ID, and it just take you 2 minutes to. After you input your ID, you also be taken to a place where you do some video verification, some image verification, and all that. Just under 2 minutes, you're done. And when you're done, that part will be graded, and it will let you know that you're done with it. And all you have to do now is hit the back button, and you come back to this interface again. Now, once you're back this interface, the next thing you do is you click the start mining button. Mine is not here right now because I've already clicked it. All right, you click the start mining button, and once you're done clicking the start mining button, the next thing you should do is you see here like this that says new benefit, new miner free benefit. You have already clicked mine. All you have to do is what? Click the receive button to receive 0.00051 BTC. All right, it's a gift for the new customer. All right, for the new user. Now, once you click it, it will be added to your balance. As you can see from here, it will be added to your balance. All right, and you hit the button, you start mining. And also, for those of you, like I told us earlier, it's 100% free. No investment needed, no minimum withdrawal, no maximum withdrawal. Now, for those of you that want to go higher, that want to make real cash from it, this is the place called what? The Recruit Miner. As you can see, the Recruit Miner. Now, the moment I think for those that are familiar with mining, we know what recruit miner is. As if you want to recruit others to participate in your mining. Now, when you hit that button, this is it. It will take you to this page. Like I said, you do not need to pay anything. You do not need to pay anything. It will take you to this place where you can what? Copy your invitee URL. As you can see, you hit this copy here, you hit this copy there. Once you hit it, you'll be able to copy your unique invitee link. For example, if I click it like that, as you can see, it says copied successfully. You can now share it with your friend. That is how you recruit miner. That is how you recruit miner. You do not need to pay a dime to recruit anybody. So the more people you refer, the faster and what the more money you make. All right. So it's a free, legit mining what software. Okay. So I just thought I should share it with you guys. For those of you that will have questions, please leave your comment in the description. Leave your comment there, and also try to join our Telegram group so that you see the full tutorial, the step by step, which you can go through it, and also to partake in some of our video that will be what very profitable to you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much. That is it for today. See you next time.